Buying a new house or car is exciting, but waiting for that credit check can be stressful. It's a really important part of the process, and that number will determine your rate. First News reporter Rod Cowan explains more.
Rates are based on many things, their credit score, the year, model of the car, your term, loan to value. So there's a lot of pieces that go into determining an interest rate.
Vicki Paisley is the consumer lending manager at 717 Credit Union, and she stresses the importance of knowing your credit score.
One good source is annualcreditreport.com. Members or anybody can get a free credit report once a year from each of the 3 main credit bureaus. They can review their credit report.
In today's economy, the lending process has been streamlined with online applications, but you still need to have personal information accurate and available. Aaron Frank is the mortgage originator with 717 Credit Union. He says you want to make sure you have certain personal information ready to go.
Ideally, we would want to collect their last 2 years of W-2s, last 2 years of tax returns, 2 pay stubs and 2 bank statements, and from there we pretty much have the entire package of information that we would need to then be able to load an application, pull someone's credit report, and let them know what they would be approved for.
In the competitive Valley housing market, knowing what you're pre-approved can make a huge difference.
Well, the pre-approval is important from the buyer standpoint in that it lets them know how much of a home they can afford. Do I need to be looking at homes at $80,000, $140,000? What can I truly afford? And then how much does it cost to get into the house? What do I need for a down payment? What do I need for closing costs?
Both Vicki and Aaron stress shopping rates and doing research on any big purchases. In Warren, Rod Cowan, WKBN 27 First News.